Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another Ballin' on a Budget. Today I'm going to be doing this DIY fire pit for my patio made out of these little tiki torch candles. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe and stay tuned. All right, so we settled on this 17.75 resin texture urn. So it got a little texture on it. We got this from Ollie's. So it's like a little not a little secondhand store, it's a little discount store. And this, we bought this for $9.99. All right, so basically what we're trying to do, we have bought these little mainstay torches for, I think they were like $1.98 each. I'll put the price up on the screen. We have bought 3 of them, hoping to get 3 in, but when we put 3, so this little bucket is going to depress in here, and I want to try to set it like that, so the torches can kind of sit underneath, and we have the rocks covering them. But when we put 3, we was thinking something like this, rectangular, to sit 3 in there, but this only sits 2. This fits all 3 of them, but this doesn't go in far enough. See how it sits? You know, it's not level. I want it to go in, and we can't put it in there because it's sitting on the corner. So we were going to try to build like a total concrete one, so it's concrete on the outside and inside. But when we seen this, we figured if we made the inside, fill this up with concrete, and depress something like this, a bucket in there like that, and then cover the rocks in it, it won't get hot enough to melt this stuff anyway, because it's just torches. But you know, this, my wife wanted, you know, something with some texture or a pattern on the outside anyway, and she wanted something that was kind of like this high. So what I'm going to do is wait for her to confirm that this is going to be okay sitting in like that, or she's okay with me depressing like maybe like half of that in here. But you know, basically I'm going to confer with her on the organization of it. Most likely she'll go with the 2 setup, but I got me a bucket, 2 buckets from Walmart, bag of concrete, which is this quick right fast setting concrete mix. Supposedly it sets in like, I think like 40 to 50 minutes or something like that. Got me an auger from Walmart that was $4.29. So yeah, it was like 4 and some change. I'll put all the prices, the total for what it was. Got some rocks from the Dollar Tree and stuff like that, and see if I can make a nice little fire pit for my patio for the same price or cheaper than what you get at Amazon. So alright, let me set this up. What we decided was to use this bowl, which is something that we have. You get it from the Dollar Tree, and set it like that. So there's going to be a lip sitting, and then there'll be a bowl depression. So we'll take this out. We'll sit 3 triangle. We'll sit these 3 canisters in there like that, but it'll be sitting up here with a little lip, and then we'll fill in some rocks in between all of this. So that's what we're gonna do. That's the move that we decided. So it'll sit like that. I've never worked with concrete before or anything like this. This is totally like kind of something that I had, wanted to do. Never did it, but we're gonna try it today. All right, stay tuned. All right, so what I'm doing here is just taking a little bit of the concrete and mixing it up at a time, because like I said, I've never worked with concrete before, so I'm not trying to use more than I have to. Plus, I don't know how much, as far as like mathematically figuring out how much to pour into this urn. So I'm just a little bit at a time, so I don't waste too much, and so I don't over water the cement and make it too wet. So like I said, just a little bit at a time, just taking my time and going from there. Altogether, this project probably took about an hour and a half to do from start to finish. That's not including going to the store and getting all the stuff. But once you start mixing the cement, it really starts setting up. So you got to kind of move quick, not too quick, but you have to move quick. But altogether, like I said, maybe an hour and a half. All right, I'm just taking this bowl that I got that I'm going to use to make the inside of the bowl, filling this bucket up with water to weigh it down, and it helps create the lip, keeping the bucket in place, pouring some extra concrete in there to create that lip. And now I'm taking my orbital sander and vibrating the bubbles out of it to get it nice and even. So right here is just basically just checking it. It had already stiffened up already. This is probably like 10-15 minutes later. It's a half an hour later. So at this point, it is pretty solid. You can see at least some indentations, but right now this is about like half an hour, 45 minutes later, and it is pretty solid. So now I'm just taking some sand and filling it in to keep the citronelle candles settled, just so we don't use too many rocks, but this will keep the candles settled in right. And then I'm just adding some rocks. Like I said, I got these from Dollar Tree. Went and got me some tiki torch fuel. Next time I will go get the clean burning fuel to add to it. Now it's time to light it. And of course, like I said, if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. This works excellent. Thanks for watching.